Hello student, hope you all are doing well. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor, AISSMS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's session on various equipment used in food and beverage department. Objectives. By the end of this session, student will be able to identify and differentiate various equipment. They can demonstrate and develop technical skills. They can also develop product knowledge while purchasing equipment. They can also learn how to safe and hygienically working practices can be used in the equipment. Introduction. Food service equipment include all pieces of equipment of the furniture, cutlery, crockery, glassware, and so on, used by the guest and by the staff in the service area. The creation of atmosphere by the right choice of decor, furnishing, and equipment is therefore a major factor that a customer's first impression on entering the service area is of great importance, and their business may be gained or lost on this alone contributes to the success of the food service operations. Equipment contribute to the overall ambience and guest dining experience and hence should be carefully selected. Equipment category. Now the equipment has categorized into following category like furniture, linen, miscellaneous equipment, disposables. In furnitures, we can include tables, chair, and sideboards. Linen, a different linen is used in the equipment like tablecloth, buffet cloth, napkin, tray cloth, waiter's cloth, slip cloth, satin cloth. These all will comes under the linen. Miscellaneous equipment which includes the boudoirs, table number, menu stand, ashtray, cruet set, asparagus tongue, which is used for a special service, caviar knife, oyster fork, corn on the cob holder for holding cob, then snail dish, and so on. Disposables. Paper napkins, disposable plates, cups, placemats, doilies, coaster, table rolls, gloves, disposable spoon and forks, knives, and so on can be used. Now furniture. Dining room furniture is available in many shapes, sizes, material, color, texture, and design. Furniture blends with the decor of the food service areas. Furniture should be selected and arranged carefully for maximum space utilization. Common items of furniture are table, chairs, sideboards. Tables. Tables are divided into two sections, tabletop, table bases. Here in this picture you can see tabletop, table bases. Table sizes and capacities, which is again divided into inches and what will be the shape of that table and the cover. For how many cover it can occupy. The 30 inches will be a square table for 2 packs, 36 inches square table for 4 packs, 30 into 48 rectangular table will be a 4 packs, 30 into 72 rectangular will be for 6 packs, 36 diameter round table for 4 packs, 48 diameter round table for 5 packs, and 60 diameter round table for 8 packs. Restaurant chair. Chairs are available with arms and without arms. The kind of chairs to be procured depends on the target clients and profile of the restaurant. Furniture chosen should be comfortable, easy to maintain, sturdy, and durable, and made from different materials like metal, wooden, leather padding, molded vinyl, chloride. Height of the chair. Floor to set it will be 18 inch. Floor to the top of chair will be 39 inch. Depth of the chair will be 18 inch. Banquet table. Here in this picture you can see the different tables which is arranged and there will be a different shapes. U shape, T shapes, conference table, serpentine shapes table you can get it, crescent table, and then you can form for a different conference and different parties. Sideboard, very important. Food service personnel will not able to work or extend quick service and work efficiently without sideboards. It holds all the necessary cutlery, crockery, hallware, and menu cards, and so on that required during service. Another name of sideboard is dummy waiter. It is equipped with drawers, compartments, and shelves. The number of sideboards required depend on the total number of covers, space available, which kind of service you are serving there, quantity of equipment, number of wait staff. Here in this picture, you can see the different compartment and what will be in that particular compartment. First compartment is given for like service spoon and forks. Sixth one is given for soup spoon and coffee spoon. You can segregate all the cutlery into this sideboard. You can keep separately linen, tray and bowls. And on the top of this sideboard, you can keep water chip, menu card, check pad, proprietary sauces and straw holder, etc. Reception desk. It is used by the hostess to escort the guests to their tables. The hostess attends call for prospective clients, take details for table reservations, and makes an entry in the reservation book. When the guest arrives at the restaurant, they are received by the hostess, who checks if they have reservation and take them to the table assigned. Here in this picture, you can see the reception desk. Linen. Linen in food service area refers to what? Tablecloth, napkin, tray cloth, slip cloth, buffet cloth, waiter's cloth, and tea cloth. The fabric chosen should be long lasting with non fading colors and must withstand frequent laundering and stain removal process. Let us understand tablecloth. All tables with wooden top are covered with tablecloth. The color of the cloth must blend with the color scheme of the interior. Hotels with many restaurants may use different color tablecloth for each outlet for better control of linen movement. The size of the tablecloth depends on the size of the table to be covered, like round table, square table, or rectangular table. The minimum fall of the tablecloth from the edge of the table is 9. To cover the table of 2 feet 6 inch square table, the minimum size of the cloth is 48 multiplied by 48, which is calculated as like this: width of the table, then the fall of the tablecloth on two sides. The one side is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So total size will be of 48. Tablecloth sizes. Here it is given. Already we have discussed 2 feet 6 inches, 3 feet square table, 2 feet 6 into 4. The sizes will be 48 by 48, 54 by 54 and 48 by 66. Napkin. What is napkin? It is used to gas folded and kept either in the glass on side plate or in the center of the cover. The folded napkins are kept in the glass for dinner purpose and on side place or at the center of the cover for lunch. However, this is not very rigidly followed. All covers must have one type of fold and all covers must have napkins placed in one position. If it is of linen, then 18 by 20 inches. If it is of paper, then it will be a 14 to 17 inches. Points observed while folding the napkins. Always use square, clean and starch napkin. Do not use a ton of frayed napkins. Make simple folds that do not require too much of handling. Crease well at every stage of fold. Avoid complicated fold as they look unimpressive when unfolded. You can see here in this picture a different napkin fold, bishop's method, and here coxcomb. The napkin has taken, then it is folded and prepared into a different shapes and it is kept on the table in a uniform size. Candle, pyramid, fan shape, you can see. What is slip cloth? It is used to cover the soil tablecloth during the operation. The size of the slip cloth will be a 1 meter, 1 by 1 meter, which will be 3 feet. Waiter's cloth. It is used by waiters during the service for wiping the edges of the dishes and carrying the hot dishes. This should be folded and carried just above the wrist and never over the shoulder, around the neck, or tucked inside the pocket. The cloth should be cleaned and changed immediately if it is stained. What is buffet cloth? Buffet cloth of various sizes are used for covering buffet tables. 2 meter to 4 meter you can have. This is the minimum size. Longer cloths will be used for a longer table. The following must be remembered while covering the buffet tables. Center crease of the cloth should run in the middle of the table. When more cloths are used, the overlapping of the cloth should not be facing the entrance. The fall of the cloth should be even all over, especially on the front side. Satin cloth. It is draped around the front side of the buffet table to cover the legs and to make the buffet counter more attractive. It is available in attractive colors. Tea cloth. What is this? It is used for wiping cutlery and crockery. The cloth should be lint free and changed frequently. See here in this picture, uses and control of linen. Use of the linen, storage of the linen, issuing of the linen is very important, and flow of the linen, which is one-to-one basis. Disposables. There has been a considerable growth in the use of disposable or throwaway, as they are sometimes called, and thin is due to the number of factors. The need to reduce the cost, the difficulty of obtaining labor for washing up, to reduce the high cost of hygiene, improve standards of hygiene, breakage cost minimization, reduction in storage space required, the need of transport caterers on train, boat, and plane, the development of fast food and takeaway operation, and increase the customer acceptability. Now let us understand what is the advantages of disposable. It helps in equipment and labor. Disposables are reduce the need for washing up equipment, staff, and materials. Hygiene. Usage improves the standard of hygiene in an establishment. Time. Disposables may speed up the service, for example, for fast moving food centers. Properties. Disposable have a good heat retention and insulation properties. Marketing. Disposables can be used as a promotional aid. Capital. Usage reduce the amount of capital investment. Carriage. They are easily transported. Cost. Disposable may be cheaper than hiring conventional equipment. Now, what is the disadvantages of disposable? Acceptability might be the customer will not accept it. Cost. Disposable can be more expensive than some conventional equipment. Storage. Backup quantities may be required. Supply. There is a heavy reliance on supply and delivery time. Environment. Unless they are made from renewable resources and are completely biodegradable, they have a negative impact on the environment. Below mentioned references are given for this PPT. If you have any kind of query or any kind of question, please let me know. Have a great